Hello everyone. In previous lecture I discussed what is Venn diagram. Now in this lecture I have taken some important laws. So I shown its statements and proof these laws first one is De Morgan law. First one is De Morgan law. De Morgan law. And second one is distributive laws. Distributive laws. So both laws are very important laws. So start uh, one by one. First one is De Morgan law. So what is the statement of De Morgan law? Write down the first one, De Morgan law. Most important law. So what is the statement? So write down the statement. Statement of this law. If A and B, if A and B are any two sets which is finite, then A union B whole का complement equal to A complement intersection of B complement. This is the first one. And second one, if you take reversal, A intersection B whole complement equal to A complement union of B complement. So both laws show the De Morgan law. So first one is A union B complement whole complement equal to A complement intersection of B complement. If you reverse the operation in left hand side, if you take A intersection B whole का complement equal to A complement union of B complement. So now proof. This is the statement of De Morgan law. If you want to prove one by one, first one is this one is A union B complement equal to A intersection A complement intersection of B complement. So how to prove this law? So firstly, I'm writing this one. So how to prove this law? Firstly, you have to take definition of equal sets. So what is the definition of equal sets? As you know, friend, I told you in my previous lecture when I define the types of sets. So where I define the intersection definition of equal set. What is the definition of equal set? Equal set definition means if A is a subset of B, I wrote here, if A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. If A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, and this shows that A equal to B. So this is the definition of equal set, and I'm using it here because there is equal sign. So I show that this left hand side means A union B whole complement is a subset of A complement intersection of B complement, and another way I show right hand side is a subset of left hand side, and from both equation we can write down this equal to this one, left hand side equal to right hand side. So firstly we use the definition of equal set on using both proofs, and second one I use the definition of complement because I use the complement. You see here I'm using the complement, so I'm using the definition of complement also. What is the definition of complement? So write down again. Definition of complement means, if you write down A complement, it means a set of all the elements which are belong to universal set. If you write down this one, universal minus A, it means a set of elements which are belong to universal set but does not belong to A. Does not belong to A. So this is the definition of universal set. So I using both definition, equal set and complement set, proving this law. So start. So firstly, I am proving this one. So first I prove this one. Equal set. Using the definition of equal set, I show this one left hand side is a subset of right hand side. So how it is proved? That taking some arbitrary element, let x be an arbitrary element of this one left hand side, A union B whole complement. Then we can write x belongs to A union B complement. X belongs to A union B complement. So friends, if x belongs to A union B complement, it means x where is not belong. X does not belong to this, that implies x does not belongs to A union B. Using the definition of complement. Complement definition shows x belongs to universal set, it means x does not belongs to A. It means x, if x belongs to A union B complement, it means x does not belongs to A union B. Now here x does not belongs to A union B. It means this can be right now. This is does not, and here is union. So when I define the union and intersection definition, I show that the union definition means a set those elements which belong to A or B or A and B, right? But here is does not symbol. So in the definition of union, I wrote this by or. In case of belong, but if in case of not belong, I have take union as a symbol of and. So here x does not belongs to A, writing the definition, because here is does not, so we can write and x does not belongs to B. X does not belongs to B. Now again, see, if x does not belongs to A, it means x belongs to its complement, it means A complement, and x belongs to B complement. So this defines the definition of intersection. So this can be right now, x belongs to A complement intersection of B complement. So bind up through the definition of by the definition of the intersection. So this can be right now, x belongs to A complement and B complement. So here you see, I have taken x belongs to left hand side. I have taken x belongs to left hand side, but now here I show x belongs to right hand side. It means if x belongs to in left hand side also, if x belongs to also in right hand side, it means we can write this left hand side, A union B whole complement, is a subset of right hand side A complement intersection of B complement. And this is the first one equation. Now I'm showing second one. Finding the second one equation, it means showing the right hand side is a subset of left hand side. So take another element, let y be by an arbitrary element of right hand side. It means A complement intersection B complement. So this can be right now. Y is belongs to A complement intersection of B complement. So write down the here is Y belongs to A complement intersection of B complement. So using the definition of intersection, we can write this one: Y belongs to A dash and Y belongs to B dash and Y belongs to B dash. Now you have to see Y belongs to A dash and Y belongs to B dash. But if you write if Y belongs to A complement, it means Y does not belong to A. Y does not belongs to A, writing the A, and Y does not belongs to B. So if you are using the does not, so here the symbol, here you are using the and, this convert to or. You can write here is or. So this can be right now. Y does not belongs to, or symbol is A union B. Y does not belong to A union B. It means if Y does not belongs to A union B, so where is Y belong? Y belong to A union B complement. So here you can see, you see Y belongs to A intersection, sorry, A complement intersection of B complement. It means right hand side. And now you show Y belongs to A union B whole complement. It means this one shows that A complement intersection of B complement is a subset of A union B whole complement, and this is the second one equation. Now from 1 and 2, from I'm using here, from 1 and 2 we get, by the definition of equal set, if A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A equal to B. So here left hand side is a subset of right hand side and right hand side is a subset of left hand side. So from 1 and 2 we can write first one, A union B whole complement equal to A complement intersection of B complement. So friends, don't forget the definition of equal set. If you are proving the De Morgan law, so firstly you remember the definition of equal set and using definition of complement. So remembering the definition of complement set uh, and remembering if you are taking the belong, so you are using the union as as form of or if you are taking a not belong case, so you have to take union as and, as shown by the and, right? So now so this is the first one proof. Now showing the second one proof: A intersection B complement equal to A complement union of B complement. So let's start. So write down the second one: A intersection B complement equal to A complement union of B complement. So similarly, as shown in first one, similarly we will show this one. So let X be an arbitrary number, arbitrary element of left hand side A intersection B whole complement. So this can be right now: X belongs to A intersection B whole complement. So that implies, now using the definition of complement, if X belongs to A intersection B complement, it means X does not belong to A intersection B. Now because here is, you know the definition of union and intersection. When the case of belong, we use union, use union symbol and write down like a in or form. And if you have a does not symbol, but here is intersection, so does not symbol, so union is look like write down and form. And but here you are using the intersection, so if belong symbol intersection take as and, but if not belong, so you have to take intersection, in place of intersection symbol you can write or. So here you can using the definition of intersection, but here is does not belong symbol, so you can write the x does not belong a or x does not belongs to b. So this can be right now. If x does not belongs to a, it means x, where is x belongs? X belongs to a, or x belongs to, sorry, a complement and x belongs to b complement. So you can write again using the definition of, this is the definition of, what is this? This is a definition of union. So you can write x belongs to a complement union of b complement. Now you see, you start from x belongs to left hand side, but you now you have to show x belongs to right hand side. So you can write left hand side is a subset of right hand side. So a intersection b whole complement is a subset of a complement union of b complement. This is the first one equation. Similarly, you have to take another element belong to right hand side. So let y be an arbitrary element of right hand side, a complement union of b complement. So you can write y belongs to a complement union of b complement. So now you open this one using the definition of union. So y belongs to a, because here is belong symbol, so you can write or y belongs to b complement. So this can be right now y does not belongs to a. If you are using the does not, so or change in and. So y belongs to does not belongs to b. So this can be right now y does not belongs to a intersection b. It means this can be right if y does not belongs to a intersection b. It means y, where is y belong? Y belongs to a intersection b whole complement. So now you see you have to start from y belongs to right hand side, but now you have to show y belongs to a left hand side. So this can be right now right hand side is a subset of left hand side. Right hand side is a subset of left hand side. So this is your second one equation. Now from 1 and 2 we get, from 1 and 2 we get, using the definition of equal set, left hand side is a subset of right hand side and right hand side is a subset of left hand side. So we get second one result, a intersection b whole complement equal to a complement union of b complement. So now this is proof now. So this is all. This is the this is the De Morgan law. Now showing the distributive law. So firstly write down the distributive law. Distributive. So write down the statement. Firstly write down the statement. If A, B and C, if A, B and C are three, are any three sets, then first one है result A union B intersection C equal to A union B intersection A union C. And now second one, A intersection B union C equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. So both are the result. So now proving first one result. Now start proof. Taking first one result, A union B intersection C equal to A union B intersection A union C. So same method which I was used in De Morgan law. So same method, same procedure you are using in here also. We are using in here. Same method. So what is the method? Same, using the equal set definition. So what is the equal set definition? Showing the left hand side is a subset of right hand side and right hand side is a subset of left hand side. Then from both equation you can find this result. So start from taking the element from left hand side. So let x be an arbitrary element belongs to left hand side. So now this can be right now x belongs to, now open the definition of union. So x belongs to A or x belongs to B intersection C. Now open this definition in a bracket. Now this is a intersection definition, so you write down the intersection definition. Open this intersection definition. X belongs to B and x belongs to C. Now this is in bracket and this is x belongs to A, so you can take x belongs to A along with this. So you can write x belongs to A, x belongs to A or x belongs to B and x belongs to A or x belongs to C. So this can be right. Now using the definition, so this can be right now. X belongs to A union B and x belongs to A union C. Now you see x belongs to this, x belongs to this, and here is symbol of AND. So you can use the symbol of this. X belongs to A union B using the definition of intersection. X belongs to A union B and A union C. So you see, start from left hand side, taking the element from left hand side. Now same element belong to in right hand side. So you can write left hand side is a subset of right hand side. And this is your first one equation. Now similarly show y belong to right hand side and show y is right hand side is a subset of left hand side. So taking, let y belong to right hand side. So this can be right now, y belongs to A union B and y belongs to A union C. Open this by the definition of intersection. Now open this by the definition of union. In a bracket. Right? Now here you see y belongs to A or y belongs to B and y belongs to A or y belongs to C. So you have to take out y belongs to A and or. So you can write y belongs to A or y belongs to B and y belongs to C. So this can be right now, y belongs to A, or this can be right now, y belongs to B intersection C. So this can be right now, y belongs to A. Now using the definition of union B intersection C. Now you see your start from right hand side, you are taking the y belongs to right hand side, y belongs to A union B intersection C. Now you see, start from y belongs to left hand side, sorry, right hand side. Now here y belong to left hand side. So you can write A union B intersection A union C is a subset of A union B intersection C. And this is your second one. From 1 and 2 we get, using the definition you can write the second result. You find the second result, A intersection B union C equal to, first one result A union B intersection C equal to A union B intersection A union C. So this is your first one result, right? Similarly, solve the second result of distributive law, which is A intersection B union C equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. So now start in same procedure, using same procedure, taking element x from left hand side. So let x belongs to A intersection B union C. Now using the definition of intersection, so x belongs to A and x belongs to B union C. Now this one is x belongs to A, write down as it is. Now open this one in a bracket, x belongs to B. This is using the definition of union because here is symbol of union, or x belongs to C. Now taking this x belongs to A along this, so you can write x belongs to A, and x belongs to B, or x belongs to A and x belongs to C. So this can be right now x belongs to A intersection B, or x belongs to A intersection C. Now this can be right now x belongs to A intersection B union of this. Now using the definition of union A intersection C. Now x belongs to left hand side. Now you show x belongs to right hand side. So you can write A intersection B union C is a subset of A intersection B union A intersection C, and this is your first one equation. Now again you can find right hand side is a subset of left hand side. So you can take another element y belongs to right hand side A intersection B union A intersection C. So it is so simple. If you are if you see procedure are same, all proofs procedure are same. So y belongs to A intersection B union A intersection C. Now using the definition of union, because here symbol is union. Now using y belongs to A intersection B, or y belongs to A intersection C. Now open this one, y belongs to A and y belongs to B in a bracket, or y belongs to A and y belongs to C. You are using this one and, or you can take this and, no problem, you can take this one. So now here is y belongs to A, y belongs to A are both in, so you can take outside. So y belongs to A, right, y belongs to A, and y belongs to B, or y belongs to C. So this can be right now y belongs to A, and using the again bind up by union definition, y belongs to B union C. Now using the definition of intersection, y belongs to A intersection, because and, so B union C. So now y, taking y from right hand side, now you show y from left hand side. So you can write A intersection B union A intersection C is a subset of A intersection B union C, and this is your second one equation. Now from 1 and 2 we get, second result, A intersection B union C equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. So this is distributive law proof. Thank you.